Today, we're diving into the Williams Sound HED 021 Deluxe folding headphones. These headphones are a solid choice for various audio needs, and I've been putting them to the test. One standout feature is their foldable design, making them incredibly convenient for on-the-go use. Now, let's talk about the replacement sanitary covers. The pack of 100 white covers ensures hygiene, a crucial aspect in shared environments. They are easy to apply and maintain, keeping your headphones clean and ready for use. The comfort level of these headphones is impressive, thanks to the deluxe design. The over-ear cups provide a snug fit without causing discomfort during extended use. The sound quality is commendable, delivering clear audio across different frequencies. One thing to note is the durability of these headphones. The build quality is robust, and the folding mechanism feels sturdy. It's a great balance of portability and durability, making them suitable for everyday use. In terms of aesthetics, the white sanitary covers add a clean and professional look to the headphones. The pack of 100 ensures you'll have replacements on hand for an extended period. To sum it up, the Williams Sound HED 021 Deluxe folding headphones with the replacement sanitary covers are a reliable choice for those who prioritize hygiene without compromising on audio quality. Whether you're using them in a shared setting or for personal use, these headphones deliver on both convenience and performance. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.